Ugh. I hate having girls in my room. My room is a non-girl room. I know. I will make a brother. Using Scratch Logic. 1, 2, 3. Scratch Logic activate equals make a brother with the language Italian and with the voice tenor.
Salve, sono tuo fratello. Devi essere nano.
How do you know my name, Napo?
Mi hai creato tu, ricordi? E come fai a sapere il mio nome?
I named you.
Ecco come.
Oh. Not new. How dare you make Napo just because non-girl room? We have like 5 kids now. 5 kids is too much kids. And Napo, I'm talking to you too. You're grounded until users delete the Nano Gets Grounded Studio. Let's go home right now.